Hello friends! In this video, we're going to draw some awesome dinosaurs, each with their own incredible characteristics. Let's get started. First, we draw Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus is a herbivorous dinosaur known as one of the most heavily protected creatures of the prehistoric era. Its entire body was covered in natural armor made of thick plates and sharp spikes. Even its tail had a powerful club that it used to defend itself against giant predators, like T-Rex. Its body shape is short, wide, and extremely sturdy, making it look like a living tank walking through an ancient forest. Drawing Ankylosaurus is really exciting because we can highlight its protective armor, its rough texture, and its expression that looks strong yet calm. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus is one of the most famous dinosaurs, known for its large plates running along its back and its powerful spiked tail. Despite its intimidating look, Stegosaurus was actually a gentle herbivore that preferred eating plants over fighting. Drawing Stegosaurus is exciting because we can show off its massive body, thick legs, and those incredible back plates that look like natural armor. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Velociraptor. Velociraptor is a small but highly intelligent dinosaur often depicted as a fast and agile hunter. With a slim body, deadly curved claws, and a long tail that helps maintain balance, the Velociraptor moves like a natural athlete ready to strike at any moment. Many scientists believe its body was covered with fine feathers, making it look like a mix between a modern bird and a prehistoric predator. Drawing Velociraptor is so much fun because we can emphasize its aggressive pose, sharp head shape, and alert expression that shows its cleverness as a hunter, not to be underestimated. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing another Velociraptor. This time, we're drawing a different version of the Velociraptor, with a pose that shows its alert and quick-moving personality. This type of Velociraptor is often illustrated with a more aggressive attitude, as if it's evaluating prey or defending its territory. Its head shape is sharper. Its tail stretches long to help maintain balance, and its arms look ready to react at any second. Drawing this second Velociraptor gives us a chance to explore different body details, showing how varied this dinosaur can look in different prehistoric illustrations. Now, let's color it. We draw Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl was not a land dinosaur, but a flying reptile that lived in the skies. With large wings made of skin membranes, it could soar far across the sea to hunt fish. Many people think of it as a prehistoric bat, but it could grow to enormous sizes. Imagine an ancient sky filled with these winged creatures, adding even more mystery to the prehistoric world. Now, let's color it. Then, we're drawing Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus was one of the tallest dinosaurs that ever lived. With its long neck and massive body like a skyscraper, it ate leaves from the tallest trees. Its front legs were longer than its back legs, giving it a unique posture. Despite its enormous size, Brachiosaurus was peaceful and calm. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Ornithomimus. Ornithomimus was a dinosaur that looked very much like an ostrich. It could run extremely fast, with long legs and a slim body. Speed was its main defense against predators. Scientists believe it may have had thin feathers, making it even more bird-like. Its swift and nimble movement makes Ornithomimus one of the most fascinating dinosaurs. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing the Stegosaurus. The Stegosaurus is one of the most recognizable herbivorous dinosaurs, thanks to the large plates along its back and the powerful spiked tail. Even though it looks big and heavy, the Stegosaurus was actually a calm and peaceful dinosaur. The plates on its back remain a scientific mystery. Some believe they help regulate body temperature, while others think they were used for display. Drawing this dinosaur is exciting because its body shape is so unique, with those large plates that make it look like a prehistoric guardian full of character. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Corythosaurus. Corythosaurus had a large crest on its head that worked like a resonating chamber to make loud sounds. With these sounds, they could communicate within their groups. It was a big plant eater that often lived in herds. The impressive crest gave Corythosaurus an elegant and exotic look compared to other dinosaurs. Now, let's color it. draw Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus was one of the largest plant-eating dinosaurs ever to exist. Its incredibly long neck allowed it to reach leaves at the very tops of tall trees. With its massive body and longer front legs than back legs, Brachiosaurus stood tall like a living tower. Its presence in ancient forests must have created an absolutely breathtaking sight. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Triceratops. Triceratops is famous for the 3 horns on its face and the large frill at the back of its head. These horns could be used for defense against predators, especially the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Even though it looked fierce, Triceratops was actually a plant eater that often lived in groups. Its iconic appearance makes it one of the most famous dinosaurs of all time. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Therizinosaurus. Therizinosaurus is known for its incredibly long claws, which could reach more than 1 meter in length. Despite its frightening appearance, it was actually a plant eater. It had a large body, a long neck, and a coat of feathers covering parts of its frame. The claws were likely used to pull down branches or for protection. Its unusual look makes it unforgettable. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is one of the largest predators that ever lived on Earth. It's known for the huge sail on its back and its long jaws filled with sharp teeth. Unlike most other carnivorous dinosaurs, Spinosaurus was also a skilled swimmer and hunted for prey in rivers and swamps. Drawing Spinosaurus is amazing because we can highlight its iconic sail and fierce look, just like a true ancient hunter from the prehistoric world. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing Therizinosaurus. Therizinosaurus is one of the most unique dinosaurs ever discovered. It had claws that could grow up to 1 meter long, which made it look terrifying. Interestingly, though, this dinosaur wasn't a predator. It was actually a plant eater. With its large body, long neck, and feathery covering, Therizinosaurus looks like a mix between a bird and an ancient beast. Drawing. Therizinosaurus is super exciting because we can showcase its incredibly long claws and its exotic, mysterious appearance. Now, let's color it.
Microraptor is a small dinosaur that had 4 wings, 2 on its arms and 2 on its legs. It was one of the first dinosaurs capable of gliding through the air. Much like modern birds, its body was covered in soft feathers, making it look elegant as it soared among the ancient trees. Even though it was small, Microraptor was a fast and intelligent hunter drawing. Microraptor is really fun because we can emphasize its beautiful wings and sleek body, like an aerial dancer from the age of dinosaurs. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing Dimetrodon. Dimetrodon had a large sail on its back that helped control its body temperature. Many people think it was a dinosaur, but it actually lived long before dinosaurs appeared. This creature was a fierce land predator with saw-like teeth. Its sail might also have been used to attract mates. Now, let's color it. Now, we're drawing Tyrannosaurus Rex. T-Rex is the most famous and ferocious dinosaur of all time. With giant jaws filled with knife-sized teeth, T-Rex could bite with tremendous power. Even though its arms were small, its jaw strength made it the ruler of the land. They had an incredible sense of smell and could run fast to chase prey.
Now, let's color it. Now, we're drawing Tyrannosaurus Rex. T-Rex is the most famous and ferocious dinosaur of all time. With giant jaws filled with knife-sized teeth, T-Rex could bite with tremendous power. Even though its arms were small, its jaw strength made it the ruler of the land. They had an incredible sense of smell and could run fast to chase prey. Now, let's color it. Next, we're drawing Edmontosaurus. Edmontosaurus is known as the duck-billed dinosaur because its mouth looked like a duck's beak. They lived in wide open areas and often moved from place to place, searching for food like leaves and water plants. This dinosaur could walk on 4 legs, but also run fast on 2 when in danger. It's big, but its face looks friendly. Now, let's color it. Then we're drawing Pliosaur. Pliosaur wasn't a land dinosaur, but a terrifying sea predator. With massive jaws and sharp teeth, they hunted fish and other sea creatures in prehistoric oceans. Their large bodies and powerful fins made them incredible swimmers. Many scientists call Pliosaur the king of the ancient seas. Imagine how scary it would be to see one underwater. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Allosaurus. Allosaurus was a large predatory dinosaur that lived during the Jurassic period. It had strong jaws filled with sharp teeth, perfect for hunting prey. Its body was slender yet powerful, making it an agile hunter. Many scientists believe Allosaurus hunted in groups, giving them the ability to take down much larger prey. This creature was often called the king of the Jurassic, before T-Rex came along. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Suchomimus. Suchomimus is a unique predatory dinosaur known for its long crocodile-like snout and sharp teeth designed for catching fish. It lived near ancient rivers and swamps, making it a skilled hunter in shallow waters. Its back had a small sail-like structure that gave it a very distinctive silhouette. Its body is long, its legs strong, and its arms equipped with large claws for grabbing prey. Now, let's color it. Wow, amazing! All these cool dinosaurs are now fully drawn and colored. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next exciting drawing video.